Hey, Gareth and Janet here from Port Monkeys, and we are on the island of Tahiti in the city of Papeete, and we got off the Carnival Luminosa, which you can see over there, and we're going to walk along the waterfront here, where I thought it was pedestrians only, but apparently scooters are allowed, or maybe they're not allowed, but people just do it anyway. So this is like a boat harbor, and of course the ship is right over there. That's a busy street. That's the road that goes all the way around the island, or at least around the eastern part, the big part. There's a little part, but I don't think roads go all the way around it. It's a little more rusty. But at the end of this sidewalk, there's a big waterfront park that goes down for a mile or so. We're going to walk part way down it while recording this 360 video. The fine smell of marijuana. So it's very lush tropical island. Very humid. Was warmer earlier.
It was pouring rain earlier.
It's about 4:30 here. And yeah, it rained for a while. Actually, it rained before we got off the ship too. And then it rained while we were in town walking around. But now it's actually cooling off, or I'm getting used to it, one of the two. Still have sweat all over me though, right? You got your skaters. Got your houseboat. Carnival Luminosa, see that? Now here there's no railing. Weird, right? I mean, why there and not here? I don't know. I don't know what all this building is on the left, but right in the middle of it is like a bar or a restaurant. But I don't know what these other things are. Parks and Recreation, homes. Bet that guy wishes he had a bigger boat. Tonight we leave here, and tomorrow we go to Moorea, which you're going to see in front of us off in the distance. It's another island in French Polynesia, and it's just a few miles from this one, or kilometers. So we have all night to get there, and you can see it right there. Probably hard to see because it's shrouded in clouds. It must be pouring rain there right now. I don't know. Got a lot of these. Statues, sculptures, totems. See, there's more. Let me get in here so you can see this better. Got this giant double hull canoe, so I'm guessing I'm going to call that a catamaran. But I don't know that it's a catamaran. See? There's some big ones. Big ones. And they have names of people on them. Roland Oldham. Right? That's a ferry boat coming in from one of the other islands. Remember, French Polynesia has lots of islands. Bora Bora, Rangaria, Raiatea, Moorea, Tahiti. Tahiti's the biggest by far. In fact, I think it's bigger than all the other ones put together. Although some of the islands are atolls, right? They began as volcanoes, and slowly they wash back into the ocean, leaving just a coral reef around them. So some of the islands are just that coral reef. They're atolls, right? Atolls. Look at this guy though. No, not him. This guy. Well, I think we've seen enough of Papeete for a 360 video. So let's get back down to the ocean, the seawall, and say Janet says show you this heart. There's a couple of these along the way here. This one actually says Hawaii and Rapa Nui, although geographically it's backwards. See, because Rapa Nui is over there, I think, and Samoa is over there if Hawaii is there. But anyway, from Papeete, Tahiti, I'm Gareth.
And I'm Janet, saying see you in the next portion.
Bye.